What's up, guys? So from the thumbnail, I'm sure you can tell that the giveaway truck is getting some new wheels and tires today. The fuels have treated us nice, but these Duratracs are about worn down and it is time for a new set of shoes. So over here we got some brand new TIS 20x10 wheels wrapped in some Toyo rubber all-terrains. So without further ado, we'll start getting the old off and the new on. Alright, so we got one on. Got it torqued down. The offset on that is a lot more than the old wheels and tires. That sticks out so much further. As you can tell, the rear tires are way tucked in there, so we actually got some wheel spacers for those to throw on to help even out the offset on the rear. So I'll throw those wheel spacers on, finish off the back one on this side, and then we'll move to the other side. Alright, so we got the first rear tire on. Man, those look nice. Plus the offset is... That's a lot better with the rear tire being all tucked in there. I'll give you guys a shot from the back of it so you can see what it looks like. But that rear tire before was completely tucked up under the truck, and it's actually even with the front now. So you can see that one is tucked under the truck and the front one is offset a little bit. Not as much as the new ones, but it looks a lot better. So we'll continue on the back and then skip to the front, since you already saw that side, and show you guys the finished product. So new tires are all on, and man, do they look good. Somebody is going to be really happy when they win this truck. Guys, don't forget, giveaway goes live June 15th. Head over to sunnydiesel.com to get merch and any truck parts you might need. We got the rears looking good, front's looking good. We do have a lot of a little bit of rub up here and back here, but we're getting some other surprises for the front end of this truck, so we'll take care of that rubbing issue then. Shouldn't be too big of a deal, but tires look real good. We're going to jump into doing some new rear tail lights and a third brake light for this thing, because these old stock ones gotta go. So we're gonna get on that right now. We already opened these because we couldn't resist waiting to see what they looked like, but got some smoked tail lights with the OLED, I think they're called. They should look way better than that stock stuff. Unscrew these two Phillips. And the old one should pop right out. And then I think the new one is, I think that went down in the drain. Probably. Oh yeah, she's in there. There's a few screws down here. Oh, okay, so it doesn't retain use of these bulbs. To get some help like that. All right, that's it. So then we'll tuck all that back in there. Slide that into place. Oh man, that looks so much better. You wanna set the camera down for a minute and help me put the screws in? So we got that one in. Nice, good and snug fit. So I'm just gonna start on this one over here. Same procedure, pull it out, replace it. Pretty straightforward. Snug up that in there, tuck those back in there. And then same deal, we'll set the camera down and get this one screwed in and then get back with you. All right, so we're gonna give these a test real quick. We got both of them installed, and man, those look so much better already. A little dirt on there. All right, hit the brakes. Brake lights are both working. Okay, so the OLEDs are red right now with the headlights on. Then it's got a little marker signal right there. Okay, we got left, go right. Got right, put her in reverse. And we got reverse lights. So only thing we got to do now is that third brake light up there, which, do we have some blown bulbs on that? Hit your brake lights. Those bulbs are out. We may have to run and get some bulbs for that. So we'll get on that right now. All right guys, so the third brake light is a piece of junk. Truckmaster did a video with this brake light as well, and these LEDs right here, as soon as you plug the thing in, they just stay on. So we had to throw the stock one back on for now. We'll get another one to match these tail lights, but that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys like what we're doing with the truck. We got a lot more goodies coming for it. Get this thing ready for some lucky new owner. We're gonna get rid of that red bow tie too. But we cannot wait to give this thing away. Once again, head over to sunnydiesel.com. Go grab any of your truck parts. We got everything you could possibly need. EZ-Link, FAS, AFE intakes, HSP bundle kits, wheels and tires, all sorts of merch. So head on over there and take a look, guys, and stay tuned for June 15th when this truck giveaway goes live. Hit that like button for us, and thanks for watching. Peace out.